Hello everyone. In this demo, the focus is on heat maps in Oracle Analytics Maps, now bringing business metrics directly into geographic analysis. Let's take a quick look at how this comes together. To start with, drag the geographic data onto the map canvas. Then select the layer type to heat map, which begins with a density-based heat map view, highlighting areas where more spatial points are concentrated. Now, drag a metric like sales or revenue into the color section. As soon as the metric is added, the heat map updates to reflect the metric values, making it easier to see where the stronger business impact is. You will also notice an intensity control when a metric is placed in color, allowing the heat map strength to be increased or reduced as needed. Aggregation can be changed as well, and the heat map responds instantly. For example, sum shows overall contribution, count highlights how frequently something occurs, max highlights peak intensity, and min helps bring attention to areas with lower impact, along with many other aggregation options to explore. With this capability, geographic context and business metrics come together to create more meaningful and dynamic heat map analysis in Oracle Analytics. That's it for this quick demo. Thank you for watching.